how to deliver the words that you're delivering, not just which words to actually say. I'm talking about specifically how to use your voice inflection and intonation to create impact where you want it in the phrase. I'm going to give you a very simple phrase, which is, I didn't say he stole her purse. And that phrase could have 6 different meanings depending on where I stress, like which word I stress. Listen to this. I didn't say he stole her purse, right? It was somebody else that said it. Or how about, I didn't say he stole her purse. I might have implied it, but I sure didn't vocalize it. Or how about, I didn't say he stole her purse, right? It might have been somebody else. Or how about, I didn't say he stole her purse. I mean, he might have borrowed it, taken it for a ride. He's going to bring it back. How about, I didn't say he stole her purse, right? It was that other dude's purse over there that this person stole, right? Or how about, I didn't say he stole her purse. It was a suitcase that she was carrying and this person stole. Does that make sense? So a very simplistic example just to illustrate how much changing where you accent in your phrase, in any phrase that you're using, that can change the meaning of the communication completely, right? And if the goal in any communication is to be understood and to understand, right, to be able to have this back and forth communication, then understanding how to use your voice inflection and intonation is going to help you do that. So I know that we all do this naturally, right? We are born with this ability to do this with our voice, and we are, as we grow up, we just have these natural conversations, and this naturally happens, and we learn a little bit of it. But if you were to just pay more attention and be more intentional about the way that you communicate with inflection and intonation, I bet your communication is going to level up to the next step.
Hey, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell for more life-enhancing content. Oh, and by the way, there's no rush. Hang around, watch some other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.